Have you ever looked at those high-end boutique windows and wondered why a simple necklace costs a month's rent? I've found the ultimate shortcut to that luxury aesthetic without the designer markup. This boho designer luxury necklace earring set is a total masterclass in quiet luxury styling. Just look at the detail on these geometric charms. The KC golden plating gives it that rich, heavy luster you'd expect from a high-end collection, while the khaki accents make it neutral enough to pair with anything from a professional blazer to a formal evening gown. Search code ACT792085 for amazing price in Temu app. The real benefit here, and the reason it has a 4.9-star rating, is the weight and comfort. Often, statement jewelry like this feels like a lead weight by the end of the night, but this zinc alloy set is surprisingly lightweight. You can dance through a whole wedding or power through a long party without even feeling it. It's no wonder this is a top-rated bestseller. The reviews are full of people saying they get complimented every single time they wear it because it looks so sophisticated and chic. You're getting that handcrafted boutique aesthetic delivered straight from the source. If you've been looking for that one hero piece to tie your wardrobe together for the upcoming holiday season, this is it. It's classy, not ostentatious, and looks incredibly expensive in person. Make sure to snag yours while it's still in stock, because this specific golden khaki combo is listed as almost sold out. Use my exclusive code COM93176 for an extra discount at checkout. Search my code ACT792085 in the Temu app for this amazing price. Benefit disclaimer: prices and availability may vary.